I didn't do it.
Yeah, but I haven't been in mine. Dude, it's just so much faster though.
You'll see how fast it shifts. It's ignorant. The roll's already up the temp, so. Spinning the clutches.
Yeah, it just felt like it went nowhere.
Yeah.
Dude, it does shit really fast.
That's the best part about this car. When you roll onto it, it likes it a lot better. It doesn't like being matted.
Really?
Yeah. You can actually load up the turbo, like. I don't know why it slipped again.
It did, didn't it?
Yeah, it's doing that now. That's a new problem. And it's so stable. Like, also these brakes are ignorant. Like,
whoa. Those brakes are really good.
I'm like half pedal. It's actually stupid how good the brakes are in this car.
They are good.
They're expensive.
I wish I could feel it like not slip one time.
I don't know what its deal is.
You can tell it wants to go. What intake do you have?
It's a drop-in filter.
Oh.
That's all it is.
That's why it doesn't make that sound.
I don't have. The intakes don't gain you really anything except the sound.
Yeah.
And I like the stock airbox, like it fits nice.
Did you ever ride in mine?
Mm-hmm.
You did?
Yeah.
It was like, I don't know, it was crazy.
I need to get a trans change. Supposedly that can fix the slipping. Every now and then it does it, but today it just does not like it. There we go. Now it doesn't slip. I mean, like, it hooks up all right for the roll.
Yeah.
Like, it's not killing the tires or anything, but also it's only stage 2, 93. Stage 2 plus E30 is ignorant in this car.
Is it like way more?
It's like, it's stupid. It's honestly the dumbest thing I've experienced. Like, it's almost unusable though. Like,
really?
Yeah, because like, you can't do anything anywhere near town, or you're doing like 3 times the speed limit immediately. Like, I mean, like even then, like it didn't feel like we went that fast. That was 110. Like we just went on this road, so like it just picks up speed so fast. And the boost by gear is enabled, so it's not stupid high boost and low gears.
I had mine where it was like 8 pounds in first, and then just all of it in the rest of the gear.
No, mine tapers in, thankfully.
It would hit second and just be gone.
Where am I turning around now? Can you turn back right and hit National Cemetery again?
No, you just have to turn around. And go
Really?
back. Yeah.
Sucks.
Well, actually, you can go to the end of this road and turn right and hit National Cemetery, and then come back around that way.
Yeah.
Did you see?
Like, it just works, and that's kind of what I like so much about it, is it's not stupid. That was traction control.
Yeah, I seen it flash on the thing.
I didn't think it was going to hit. It's been hooking up so good that I was like, nah, we're good.
It was about to kick out, wasn't it?
Yeah. Dude, the traction control is fantastic in this car. Like, it will not let you do dumb shit.
So what makes this so rare again?
The Coupe dual clutch combo. So you
Okay.
could only get it 11, 12, and 13.
Okay.
And there are not that many of them in the U.S. as far as I'm aware. This is also an IS package car. So if you go by VAN and look at the IS package cars, there's only like, I want to say 200 US IS package dual clutch coupes.
Okay.
And the IS specifically gets 4-piston rear brakes and 6-piston fronts.
It's a rare color too, isn't it?
It's sapphire black metallic. So there's 2 blacks offered. There's jet black and sapphire black. This is much more rare than the jet black.
How many of these cars did you say is this with this exact?
With this exact spec, there's 3. Like, there's 3 sapphire black metallic dual clutch coupes in the U.S.
In the U.S.
That's it.
I wonder how many in the world.
I have no idea. The VIN list is like readily available because they're really well documented. This also is like a really high spec trim car without iDrive, which is weird. So
that is weird. Somebody was weird with this car.
So it's an it was a Coupe car. Like, it's a BMW personal car.
Oh.
It has basically every option you can get, but it doesn't have iDrive.
That's so weird.
It's a really odd package. Like, it has the M Sport suspension, it has the BMW Sport exhaust, it has an anthracite package, which gives you the black headliner and the black trim instead of chrome, and the black kidneys.
Okay.
basically everything. And then this specific example has 1-inch H&R sway bars, has OS Guide limited slip. I don't even remember what else. It has a bunch of random shit on it that the previous owner put. Like, really tasteful though. Nothing is like crazy. It's just kind of OEM plus.
What is it? Just downpipe and intercooler?
Downpipe, intercooler. Yeah. I mean, that's.
And stage 2 regular.
Yeah.
MHD. Has it got a muffler to lead?
No, it's stock muffler. This is the BMW Performance exhaust, so it has a cutout. So when you put it in sport mode, it actually bypasses the BMW.
Okay, so it's basically like that.
Yeah. Don't like how raspy it is. And then this is also I forget what the package code is, but it gives you the oil cooler off of the IS package 335i, and then they remove the factory speed limiter when you got that package. Which doesn't matter.
What is it, like 155 or something?
148, I think.
Oh,
is the,
okay.
It's 155, or it's like it's an even amount of kilometers per hour and a weird number of miles an hour.
Makes sense.
Also, you owned a 335i. Were they like this?
Where you unlock the door in the middle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What the fuck is that?
I don't know.
It also has the performance like sport seats, so they have adjustable bolstering. That's a weird option.
Huh.
It has a lot of really dumb options. It has the iPod pocket. I don't know if you know about this. It's for your iPod Classic.
Whoa.
That's a factory option.
That's for the year thing, I guess.
Yeah, for the year 2012.
That's funny. What do you have the verbal setting on?
It's not aggressive, like volume, but like medium duration.
Okay.
It's nothing crazy. It's just like a really mild setup.
It sounds really good.
I wish it wasn't as raspy, but I didn't do it.
Yeah, but I haven't been in mine.
I didn't do it.